In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Slack. Let's make sure you have everything you need to get started with this excellent productivity tool for your team. So let's dive in and make this process smooth and easy for you. First things first, open your favorite web browser and head on over to Slack's official website. Simply type in slack.com in the search bar and hit enter. This is where you can explore Slack's features and get familiar with what it offers before making a purchase. Slack is renowned for its capabilities in boosting workplace communication, streamlining tasks, and managing projects effectively. Once on the homepage, you're going to want to look for the sign in option. Here's a convenient tip. If you use Google services regularly, you can sign in using your Google account. This not only speeds up the login process, but also helps you manage your Slack account seamlessly with the rest of your Google Workspace tools. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Slack dashboard, a place you'll quickly become familiar with, as it will be your command center for all your Slack activities. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to it, you'll find your way around with ease. Now, if you're looking for a great deal, this next tip is for you. On your Slack dashboard, you'll find an option offering 50% off Slack Pro. This is an excellent opportunity for those looking to enhance their team communications and improve efficiency without breaking the bank. So go ahead and click on that option to secure some savings. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose the plan that's right for your team. Here, Slack offers a range of plans tailored to fit various team sizes and needs. Whether you're a small startup or a larger organization, Slack has a plan designed to accommodate you. Take your time reviewing these options to ensure you select the best plan for your team. It's important to consider both your current collaboration needs and any future growth you anticipate when making your choice. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated the process to buy Slack. By taking advantage of the tools and deals available, you're equipping your team with solid communication tools that can lead to enhanced productivity and better project management. Remember, Slack is built to grow with you, so don't hesitate to explore its features more deeply as your team's needs evolve. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy using Slack as much as I do.